Hello, my friends. As you know, my name is Martina and I am going to teach you to do an owl. First, I am going to do the feet. I know that is the last thing that you do, but I am going to do it first. And another. Now I'm going to do the body. And now we are going to go with the head. I am going to do the ears like this. And the beak. And the eyes I'm going to do over here to over here. And 2 circles in the... No, I'm going to do 3. And now, I don't know, but I am going to do the wings. Like, as it's going to the place. The wings are so... I don't know what is the name, but it's... I don't know. But I am going to do like this. And I am going to do like a tree with leaves. And I am going to do a lot of leaves, and I am going to put fast, like this fast. And okay, and then I'm going to color, and it's going to be super fast, okay? Boop. I'm going to take brown cappuccino. I call like that. And I don't know. I am going to take black, green as well, orange, and I don't know, but I'm going to put pink. Now I start. Bye bye, my friends. I put a little bit more of things, but I finished. Bye.